Let's dive into the crazy, surprisingly lucrative world of AI Stickman animations in this quick explainer.
Someone out there is making money right now. Why not you? Subscribe.
Seriously, some of these super simple channels are clearing up to 50 grand a month.
The wild part? It's incredibly easy to replicate. Here's exactly how they pull it off.
We're using a simple 4-step tech stack to take you from a basic prompt to fully published.
Step 1 is scripting. We'll kick things off in ChatGPT or Claude to build our story foundation. Just paste your master prompt, pick one of the generated ideas, and grab your full scene breakdown.
Next up, getting consistent visuals. Take those fresh image prompts and head right over to Google Flow.
Set your workspace to image mode, choose a 9:16 vertical ratio, and select the Nano Banana 2 model.
Now, the absolute secret to visual consistency is always dragging your previous image right into the timeline. This ensures details, like a laptop or socks on the floor, never randomly mutate between your scenes. Just repeat this prompt and reference process until all 6 of your still scene images are fully generated. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Let's bring those stills to life and make a move. Switch Google Flow over to video mode, keep that 9:16 ratio, and set the result count to 1. Paste your animation prompt in. This syncs your detailed text commands with the voiceover for smooth movement. Just like we did earlier, drag in your generated still images and animate them one by one. Finally, step 4 is the edit. Take your moving clips and assemble them in your editing software. Inside CapCut, arrange the clips in order, trim out any weird AI glitches, drop in background music, and export. The result is a seamless, hilarious story, literally built from scratch by just copying and pasting. You've got the exact blueprint for this crazy lucrative workflow. So what's your first viral animation going to be?